Hello, 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 hello! Welcome to the Valentine's Day special. Alright, so 14th of February is a date that people either hate or love because some people have someone and other people don't, but I mean, girls. It's the 14th of February, it's Valentine's Day, and I want to do a look that really spreads the love, that is deeply heated. I really wanna inspire you to either go to your bae and make it, you know, or find your own bae and just, you know. In my last video, I wanted to use the NYX Professional Makeup Can't Still Won't Still foundation, but in the end, I looked like a complete mess. So what I will do right now is go and do my foundation, do my eyebrows, and then come back on screen for the actual makeup look. To everybody who sometimes struggles with eyebrows, I want to tell you something. These brows, I think they took me an hour to do right now. I had the hardest time to get my eyebrows symmetrical tonight. I don't know why. I'm still not completely satisfied with the way my brows are looking, but I literally did them like 5 times in a row. Now I'm going in with the Pat McGrath Mothership No. 5 palette, and I'm going to do a Valentine's Day special eye makeup. I'm starting the eye makeup with the shade Blitz Flame, using the shade Disobedient to give my eye makeup a little bit more depth. I'm using the shade Extreme Aubergine for my lower eyelid. Alright, so what I did just now is I smudged on a thick layer of black eyeliner on my waterline, so I think this Valentine's Day makeup is turning into a Valentine's night makeup right now, and the shit is about to go down. So with a wet brush, I just applied the shade Rosé Gold 005, and this is how it looks like. It's just absolutely stunning. And this is why I love the Pat McGrath palettes so fucking much. It's Alright, it is time to highlight the brow bone. I'm using Skin Show Divine Glow out of the same palette, and I'm placing it with the edge of a brush. And I'm just going back and forth in fast little moves. And this also really helps you to fake a perfect blend of your eyeshadow. Alright, and now I'm probably going into the oh gosh. Holy shiza. Alright, so what I wanted to say was, this is probably the most shiny shade, the shiniest shade. It's called Astral Luna Gold. I placed it on my inner corner where there is no color at all whatsoever. And then I also go over my very dark lower lid to show you that this color is also popping when you put it over a dark color. Yes, it is. Alright, so I really think that this eyeshadow turned out very satisfying. It's glowy, it's dewy, it's glittery, it's shimmery, it's Pat McGrath realness. And I'm going to top that off with mascara and some lashes, and then we're right back for the lips. Alright, so we are ready for the lips, and today I'm going to use a classic lip color by Chanel. It is the shade Rouge Noir. It's a very, very dark aubergine colored lipstick, and I just want to fade that in with a Maybelline lip color. It's the color 975 and it's called Divine Wine. Let's do it. To finish off this look, I'm going in with this MAC blush. It's called Exotic Amber. I was also wearing that in my 5-minute makeup... Wait, was I? No, I was wearing this in my free product makeup tombola video together with Miss EYELASH, and it's really cool to finish off very dark and mysterious looks because the blush has those aubergine elements to it that are these are really unusual colors for a blush, but as you can see on a medium skin tone, this really turns out interesting. I also always make sure if I use an intense blush to brush off a little bit of the excess with a big powder brush like this. Also, you know, to finish a look, it's always nice to just reblend your contouring a little bit. Yeah. In the end, everything should be soft and, you know, merged together, and this is at least how I personally love it. For this look today, I have chosen to use a matte highlight, no shimmer, no glow. So I'm using a cheap highlight Quadro by Flormar, and I'm using a blender brush, and I'm just applying tiny amounts of the white eyeshadow on top of the areas that I want to highlight. It looks very chic. It gives you a very luxurious look, I think, because it's not shiny. You don't look sweaty, you don't look dewy or anything. It's just structure. I'm also using tiny amounts of this eyeshadow on my inner corners, like the area around my inner corners actually. Just, you see what happens? It just pushes my eyes apart, and that makes me look very feminine, like a natural woman. I'm going over the bridge of the nose and also on the tip of my nose, and because I personally really like my jawline and I don't even think of hiding it. I don't care if this is a masculine thing or a feminine thing. Boys and girls and everything in between, we're genderfuck anyways. If you like a part of your face, don't hide it just because it would make you look more feminine or masculine or whatever it is. Just emphasize it, live with it, and be proud of the face that you have. I love those super hard edges here, and I want them to shine. Ooh, okay, so today it was a real challenge for me to put that on. I am coming back with my wig and my outfit on. Oh my god, and my beauty mark on. I'm So finally I did it, and this is the finished look for my Valentine's Day or Valentine's Night special. So I really am satisfied right now with the look, although I had to work really hard this time to get my brows symmetrical and to get my skin right. But sometimes it's also great to struggle, and maybe it's even better to struggle in front of the camera to make you guys see that not only you are struggling with makeup sometimes, no, it's also people like me that work as drag queens full-time since 10 years. I really hope that you like this video and you can use some tips and tricks that I give you sometimes. And I really hope to see you in my next video. So see you and have a very special, hot and lovely Valentine's Day. Bye!